We are moving to the camp of artist manager and who is also a former musician, Rick Nana, Ricky, aka Bullet. Yes, Bullet, who is the CEO and founder of Town Records, and he was also formerly part of the Rough and Smooth music group. Yes, it's Rough and Smooth. She gets swagger, it is like banana, it come from Ghana. She said diva. So yes, Rough and Smooth Bullet. We all know Bullet when or the yeah, Rough Town Records, Babas, you know, or so or sign it, or yeah, one of the best female musicians or female artists or female entertainers in Ghana had they may have so rest in peace Ebony or the never cinema. We also how he worked with a girl to create a brand and all of that. Now this is what Bullet is saying. This is what Bullet is saying. Also, I should tell y'all that he is the best artist manager. Like the GOAT, the GOAT in capital letters. He is the GOAT. Forget it. Everybody there. Angelo nom na de Black City nom. I don't know. Lexus, Kanata, yeah. All of you guys, forget yourselves. I don't know your best. Now, Ricky Nana Ajiman, who is popularly known as Bullet, has claimed that he is the best artist manager in the history of the music industry. He said this while having a chit chat with an artist named Abi Ima, and he said, in the industry I have become a kakai. And also Bullet is heard claiming in the video, I am the best manager that has ever existed. Now since returning from his music or retiring from his music career and becoming an entertainer, Bullet has collaborated with artists such as the late Ebony Reigns, Brella Fantana, Miss Forsen, Wendy, Shay, and Ray James or Snowbee. So now, for now, Wendy Shay is the sole artist he represents at the moment, and she has achieved a great deal in the Ghanaian music industry in less than 4 years in the game. So let's go. I have a video of that. You know that me dear, I won't come and say asem tra na my family. I have to give you all proof so that you know how authentic this is. You know, we aren't playing, man. Let's go and then watch Bullets.
Number two. Also from you. Oh, this is Madana Kakao industry. Number two. Also from you. Oh, this is Madana Kakao industry. I'm the best manager ever, man. Yeah, man. No disrespect, my opinion, but I'm the best manager ever. Yeah.
So he says he's the best manager ever. Like a Drobian Kadem. No matter who you are, no matter how hard you have worked as an artist manager, no matter where your artist is now as we are speaking. When a bullet inside, like bullets, one bullet, I do this. Yes, Amasa, Bossu, Chamai. Yeah. So this is what Bullet is saying. So let me know what you also make of it. Do you think he is the best artist? Because let's say, let's look at some of his achievements. He signed Ebony Reigns, right? He signed Ebony Reigns, and we all know despite the short stay in the industry, which is because of her sudden death, may her soul rest in peace. On your angle, like by now, Ebony is doing great, like internationally and all of that. Even few years now, all the Ebony Banner company, the bangers and the platforms are not mounting our day and all of that. No, Shem crying. Now, when the Shay is also not doing bad, when the Shay is actually doing great for himself, obey with the bangers he released and all those controversies now, what they surround the one who, and when they're about to release a project or anything, no. So, so he's done well. He's done well. So let me also know what you also make of it. Edwin, the Bullet is the best manager. If artist manager, so welcome Hadia. Esha Bullet na best manager. And should we name one artist manager, give that person the title because of the leveler, ne artist no wa. Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's in the where we are when the Shay wa kukwa sisi or wana. Able to yakade, oh okay, Bullet and I the best artist manager because of the level at which when the Shay finds herself now. And somebody like Angelo, yes, Sarkodie, the level always see Shatta. I mean, one of various one of various managers, no. Yes, damn near as a car. So let me know what you also make of this.